The two biggest biceps movements that you are not using right now, one is going to challenge your own personal anatomy. The other one's going to give you an odd eccentric feel, and both are going to maximize your gains. I'm really excited to share this in the book, Massive Muscular Arms. Check it out. The first is the Clayton Curl, an incredible 3-phase exercise that takes advantage of the fact that the biceps cross both the shoulder and the elbow joint for optimal gains. As you curl up on the concentric, keep your elbow back. For the eccentric, press your hand forward so your hand ends in front of your hip. Now, instead of performing another concentric, the third phase, you reset your hand behind your hip. Key tip, go light on these at first so you get the full eccentric feel across the entire biceps. Number 2 is the Harski hammer curl, which takes advantage of a natural internal rotation as you curl up. Better yet, a low anchored band provides maximal resistance at the top of the curl for maximal stimulus.
That's really hard. Yeah. It's a hard curl. It's really hard.
For more science-based exercises and recovery tips to get you massive muscular arms, pick up the book and check out my YouTube channel. I'm David Barr, and until next time, raise the bar.